Before starting Angular installation, we need to install Node.js. After that, you need to navigate to the respective directory for Angular installation. Note the following three commands for Angular installation. I'm going to install Angular with the help of command npm install -g at Angular CLI. Angular CLI is a command line tool that helps to initialize, develop, and maintain Angular applications. Once Angular installation is complete, we need to create a new Angular project by using the command ngnew project name. Once we run this command, we will get a new Angular project in our D drive. Project is created, run ngserve command from the Angular project folder, which will build the application. You can see within the ngserve result that live development server is listening to the port 4200. Take the localhost URL, you will be able to see the basic installation of Angular application. Hope this video helps in Angular installation. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.